Hi tech enthusiasts, Fluff here from techbeatph.com, and last week we were invited to Samsung's latest Awesome Intelligence event. We were given the opportunity to get our hands on and first impressions of the latest Samsung A series phones. Here are some of the highlights of the entire activity using the latest A series phones.
AI. So first off, I'm walking through our circle to search feature. So I think you're guessing like, oh, what's new with this? But we actually have circle to search music and circle to search translate. So I won't go through I won't go through these features one by one. So you guys have the chance to experience these later on. So first, I'll share with you my favorite feature for circle to search, which is the circle to search music. So here, even by playing a song or even humming the lyrics, our awesome intelligence will be able to detect which song will be played. So a sample of these will play a song right now. You play this song, press the and then you'll see here on the lower right the music icon. So all you have to do is just press the icon, and then it will there you have it. It's the Nile is a river by Gochi. So that's one of the features for circle to search music. So another feature is that you can actually the song. So one of the trending songs right now on TikTok is Sorry by Justin Bieber. So I guess 2015 is making a comeback. So here, Justin is the singer. But I'll show you an example of how you can copy the song and it will easily detect the tune. So here you go. So again, just now press the music button and then you press the music. There you have it. Detected. Sorry if I just Bieber, even though I didn't sing any of the lyrics. And that's one of the awesome intelligence features of A56 and A36. So moving on to one of the new features as well, we have AI Select. So it's one of those styles over there. So you have create a GIF, you can also select text, and even make photos your wallpaper. So I'm going to share here one of my favorite features of AI Select, which is create a GIF. So I really enjoy talking with my friends on Telegram, Messenger, and we love sharing videos with one another. So here I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF in a very simple and easy way through AI Select. So first, we want to find a video in which you want to turn into a GIF. So for example here, I would go to YouTube. Sorry by Justin Bieber as one of my examples. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video. So once the video is playing, I just go on the upper right of the screen and swipe towards the left. And there you'll see the AI Select feature on the upper right. So I'll go ahead and click AI Select. And then similar in circle to search, all I have to do is select the frame in which I would want to turn into a GIF. So here. So now that the frame is selected, you can adjust it to your liking and even select a certain portion of what you want to turn into a GIF. And then you select the feature section and select create a GIF. So once you've selected the option, you can still adjust the frame, but if you're already happy with it, you can go ahead and press the record button. So there, now it's recording and it can record up to 15 seconds worth of the video to turn into a GIF. So I guess around 10 seconds is okay with me. So you just press stop and then there you have it. You have your very own GIF. So you can even turn, iconic moments into short-term clips and even share it with your friends very easily. So there, that's it for AI Select. And later on, after I show you all the experience tools, you guys can experience all of the awesome intelligence features. Filter activity wherein you can create your own AI filter. So I'll show you an example. on here. So first off, what you want to do is you want to your camera. So once you're on your camera, as you can see there, for example, you're scrolling through Instagram or even some stories and you found a nice photo that you like to mimic its filters, its shadows, its sharpness, and just like the overall vibe of it. All you have to do is go to the settings option and go on to the filter, so the three overlapping circles. So once you click that, you can actually go through one of the pre-installed filters that's on the new A56 and A36. So from there, you can also manually adjust the saturation, contrast, the temperature, and the strength of the filter. But in my case, I want to create my own filter through AI. So all I have to do is just press the plus button of the filter here and select which photo I would like to mimic or have the same vibe of. So for example, I really enjoy golden hour selfies. So I will click one of the sunset photos here. And now it's going to mimic the filter. So you can see that the hues change and the saturation to give a golden hour effect. So you can just press done and then golden hour ready. So who would like yeah. So now that it's finding the suggestions, I am now going to circle the phrases that I want to create. So now I click create. And there you have it. All the other manifestations are gone and they're capable of taking a solo trip is the one that's set on the whiteboard through object eraser. With the best face feature, you get to have your perfect pose and your perfect face all in one. And it even applies to say, taking a group photo with your friends. Everyone is smiling except you kasi nakapikit ka bigla. So with best face feature, you'll be able to find your perfect face through awesome intelligence. So later on, what you can do in order to experience this, you can get an emotion from one of the emotions from our cute fishbowl over here. So I'm going to draw an emotion. So here is dramatic. So for example, if I were to do a dramatic pose, let's see, we just have something like that. So I will do a dramatic pose like this and then smile at the end, because once you do the best face feature, you have to make sure that the live motion photo is on. So all you have to do is make sure that this little button on the upper right screen, the play button, is active. So to get the most out of best face, make sure that you show some emotions as well after you hit the camera button. For example, dramatic, something like that. And then once you hit the photos, it's not the best, but you click the AI function here in the middle, and it will be analyzing the image. So once it's analyzed, you get to select best face. So sorry, let me try that again. So for example, I just blinked. So all I can do here is just press the AI function in the middle of the analyzing this image, and then I can choose best face. So here in the best face option, you get to select any frame of your face from the time you took the live motion photo. So here you have a lot of examples. So for this one, the camera is quite up high. So there's something similar to that as one of our best face AI features. So
The Galaxy A56 5G and A36 5G are here to revolutionize your mobile experience with the all-new Awesome Intelligence. Exclusive to these devices, Awesome Intelligence offers powerful, fun, and easy-to-use AI tools powered by One UI 7.0. With amazing search and visual experiences, the Galaxy A series just got smarter and more exciting. Circle to Search now enhanced quickly identifies phone numbers, email addresses, URLs, and even songs played around you, whether it's from music, social media, or speakers nearby. This feature makes you search and discover smoothly and effortlessly. But that's not all. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G and A36 5G also boast a powerful triple camera system with a 50 megapixel main lens and a 10-bit HDR front lens, recording for bright and crisp selfies. The A56 5G features a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and advanced Nightography with low noise mode for stunning low-light photos. Plus, the best face feature ensures perfect group shots by selecting the best expressions from a group of 5 people.